Speaking of Jack Dorsey,
I'm working on it.
this might be Jack Dorsey's Rocky hardware crypto. He loves the crypto. Man.
Yeah,
he's
with block.
so crypto right now. He's like, Elon, you can have Twitter. I'm crypto now. They call me Jack Crypto.
Yeah.
Crypto.
Hippie crypto.
Crypto Dorsey. It looks like an actual pebble or rock that you would skip on the water. Don't skip it on the water because it's your hardware wallet full of your cryptos.
And there's texture to it. So there's different stone types.
This is his company called Block now. This wallet will have USB-C and a fingerprint reader. That's sick. We may have just seen the Bitcoin hardware wallet that Jack Dorsey's Block is working on, a device to help people safely own and manage their Bitcoin. I don't like that they said Bitcoin. I know he's big Bitcoin and not super into everything else. But would he be crazy enough to make a hardware product that's only
Just
compatible
for
with Bitcoin?
No. That's too crazy.
It's rude.
Yeah.
Block's hardware lead, Jesse Durogusker, tweeted an image showing several devices on Wednesday, all seemingly include fingerprint readers and USB-C charging ports, both things Block said its hardware wallet would include in a blog post last month. I like it. It looks cool, man. Oh, he even quote tweeted.
He replied.
He quote tweeted and then said Rocky, but it's Rocky with an E for key. ROCKEY.
Which one would you get?
Out of those bunch? Actually, the gray one on the far right, the in the front of the frame.
This is blue.
Is it blue? It looks gray to me. I guess it's my TV. But that one. It's it's like a slate kind of matte look to it. The other one looks a little bit more like granite, and then one of them looks like marble or quartz.
Yeah.
But I think they're modeled after actual real rocks. He didn't say a price or anything, did he?
I don't think so.
We're super early days, I guess. Who would have thought Jack Dorsey launching a hardware. product, any hardware product? Yeah, I guess people will buy it. You use a hardware wallet? Yeah.
What are the big ones right now? Ledger, Trezor.
Yes.
Rocky. Is that the next big one?
There you go. This is number 3. There's one other one that you're missing that is somewhat prominent, but I can't remember.